A couple of years ago, I opened my Suzuki Violin Book 4 course. It is huge because I really wanted to give students the foundation they need, plus the support required to learn this big book, plus all of the extra peripheral methods and techniques that I feel intermediate students need. Needless to say, the Suzuki Book 4 course is enormous, well in excess of 1,000 videos. It's an awesome class, and it's the equivalent of 3 semesters at a university, but I realize that some people only want a drink of water, not full immersion by fire hose. So I developed the Suzuki Book 4 Songs Coach Extraordinaire. Songs Coach is my pet term for a streamlined course which focuses exclusively on learning the pieces of a book without any peripheral topics or distractions. The Book 4 Songs Coach is exceptionally powerful. Firstly, because so many people need extra help at this exact point in their violin learning. And secondly, because it delivers every possible form of assistance, from printed exercises to play along videos to audio recordings. Everyone knows that Suzuki Book 4 is a big arrival point, and it is a pleasantly challenging book. But it'll go so much more smoothly if you have the right support materials. And where are those support materials? They cannot be found unless private teachers create them. That is why this course exists. It will support students with private teachers, students without private teachers, and private teachers. Private teachers don't have the luxury of spending hundreds of hours creating the kind of content you'll find in this course, so I did it for them. This course provides you with an array of tools carefully organized like a master mechanic's toolbox so that you'll be able to find the exact socket wrench exactly when you need it. For more details or to sign up for this course, click on the link in the video description box below, and I hope to see you in class soon.